We know that there is a cover at the end of the silicone light strip. This cover is sleeved on the outside of the silicone sleeve, from the outside to the inside, so at this end, it will be slightly thicker than other parts. All silicone sleeves are equipped with this end cap, either square or round. This end cap can meet the needs of most users. But if your project has higher requirements, it needs to be seamlessly connected and embedded in this kind of card slot. This seamless tail cap is very useful. This seamless butt cap is embedded in the silicone sleeve, because the size of the tail cap is exactly the same as that of the silicone sleeve, so it can be directly embedded in the card slot. And the size of the card slot can keep the original size, without the need for the size of the tail cap increases the size of the slot. Compare and see the effect.